roll your window down a little more so I can talk to you, man.
No, that's good enough for me. Obstruction is
okay,
physical
you
act.
stopped me from doing my job. You drove past me. I don't know if you flagged me down, if you waved me down. You drove past where I was at the gas station. I don't know if you waved me down if you needed help or if you was in distress, if you waved your hand or whatever.
Welcome back to the LackLuster channel. Today's video was submitted by Nate, who was driving on the 2nd of January when he saw a local police officer driving in his direction. As the officer drove past, Nate lifted his middle finger to the officer and continued driving in the direction he was traveling. The officer made a series of left-hand turns and a right to end up behind Nate as he initiated a traffic stop.
What's up, man? How you doing? You got your license, registration, insurance?
What have I been pulled over for?
You said what? Roll your window down a little more so I can talk to you, man.
No, that's good enough for me.
Alright, listen. You drove by and it looked like you needed assistance. I don't know if you was waving me on
what kind of
or
assistance
you was sticking your finger up. I don't know what you was doing. Whether you was waving me on or you need assistance. And then I look on the registration on your tag and it said your license expired. So do you have your license with you? Yes or no? I'm not going to argue with you. I just need your license, registration, insurance. It could be as simple as that and we can move on, or else
so what have I been pulled over for exactly?
You got your license, registration, insurance.
What have I been pulled over for?
Did you wave me down? Did you need assistance?
Nope, I did not.
I did not. Waved me down, I did not. Needed assistance.
I did not.
And then when I got behind you to run the tag, which I'm allowed to do, it says that your license expired.
And tell me, what's my name?
Listen,
and what's my name? What name came back under?
I'll allow you all that. I will allow you all that. I will tell you all that. What's about to happen is you obstructing. You hinder my investigation.
Obstruction is
okay,
physical
you stop
act.
me from doing my job. So I'm not going to argue back and forth with you. It's either you're going to provide me with the credentials or we're going to go in and we're going to handle it that way. You got your license in your hand. Thank you. All right. Perfect.
Yeah, is it expired?
1 second.
Oh, yeah, sure.
The officer has alleged that he was concerned about Nate's well-being and had only wondered if Nate was flagging him down. But upon finding out that Nate was not in distress, their contact should have terminated. But the officer now alleges that Nate's driver's license is expired. And again, upon seeing the driver's license is not expired, their contact should have ended. Instead, Officer Freeman takes Nate's driver's license to run it and write him a citation. A few minutes pass and Officer Freeman returns to Nate's vehicle.
Alright, listen. Here's the deal.
Yeah.
Alright? You drove past me. I don't know if you flagged me down, if you waved me down, or if you gave me. Listen, let me talk, because I'm not here to argue with you, because I'm not going to do the arguing back and forth with you. Okay, so let me talk. You drove me. You drove past where I was at the gas station. I don't know if you waved me down, if you needed help, or if you was in distress, if you waved your hand or whatever. But listen, here's the deal. Here's your license. My computer is not cooperating with me, but you're going to receive a summons. You're not supposed to have nothing obstructing your vision. Can't nothing be hanging from your mirror. So you're going to be receiving a summons in the mail. Here you go. Have a good night.
Yeah, you can f*** off.
Nate was cited with 39-3-74, obstruction of windshield for vision. After asking Nate what was blocking his windshield, he provided me with this picture. He also tells me that quite a few family members use that car, and many have been pulled over in it, but not once in the past 15 years had there ever been a complaint about this obstruction. The item is a small stone that has a prayer on it, and the family keeps it in the car as a memento of their late grandfather. So let me know what you think down below. Was this stop in retaliation for a middle finger? Or do you think the officer had a right to pull Nate over? Nate tells me that he's going to fight the citation, as it will be easy enough to argue that the stop in itself was unlawful. Thanks for watching. If you have a video, use the submit link in the description or pinned comment. If you enjoyed this one, subscribe and hit the bell for future content, and check out our other channels, Lady LackLuster and The Odd Side. Remember to like, share, and leave a comment about what you think of this interaction. It's the easiest way for you to help expose corruption and misconduct. Merchandise is available using the links below. Join the LackLuster family for just $1 if you'd like to further support the channel. Get a Lack logo next to your name, custom emotes, and early access to videos. I look forward to seeing you in the next one. All links are down below.